Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's first question: where is Bhimrao Ambedkar Multipurpose Stadium situated? Options are Faizabad, Ghaziabad, Kanpur, Patna. Right option is A, Faizabad. Next question: in which year did Swami Dayanand Saraswati establish Arya Samaj? Options are 1875, 1867, 1828, 1887. Right option is A, 1875. Next question: Lotia is a regional music form of which state? Options are Odisha, Rajasthan, Assam, Bihar. Right option is B, Rajasthan. Next question: the deficiency of vitamin A causes. Options are very, scurvy, rickets, night blindness. Right option is D, night blindness. Next question: when was Kapil Dev awarded with Padma Shri Award? Options are 1981, 1980, 1982, 1983. Right option is C, 1982. Next question: how many countries with part of SAARC? Options are 8, 2, 5, 7. Right option is A, 8. Next question: the Pala dynasty rulers were primarily patrons of which religion? Options are Buddhist, Jain, Hindu, Islam. Right option is A, Buddhist. Next question: Tulip festival is famous in which city? Options are Agra, Allahabad, Ludhiana, Srinagar. Right option is D, Srinagar. Next question: which cell organelles are known as cells post office? Options are nucleus, Golgi apparatus, ribosome, plastid. Right option is B, Golgi apparatus. Next question: Pandit Birju Maharaj is associated with which form of dance? Options are Kathak, Chhau, Kuchipudi, Kathakali. Right option is A, Kathak. Next question: Bokajan is a cement plant located in which of the following states? Options are Bihar, Assam, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh. Right option is B, Assam. The Chhadi folk dance is primarily performed by women of which Indian state? Options are Odisha, Karnataka, Jharkhand, Rajasthan. Right option is D, Rajasthan. Next question: which Asian country was the host of the first Asian Games? Options are Thailand, Indonesia, India, Japan. Right option is C, India. Next question: in India, which ministry issues the coins of all denominations? Options are Ministry of External Affairs, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Mines, Ministry of Finance. Right option is D, Ministry of Finance. Next question: in which months is Rabi crop sown? Options are April to May, October to December, February to March, September to October. Right option is B, October to December. Thank you.